I make lasagna so many ways, but this is my family's current favorite. No, it ain't traditional. Ain't nothing traditional about it. It's just plain good. So here's how I do it. Let's start with the sauce. I don't eat red meat anymore, so I'm using ground turkey. If you still enjoy red meat, add in some Italian sausage if you're using turkey or beef. It's good. And then I added in some onion and bell pepper and a little bit of Creole seasoning. Gonna stir that around and let it brown. When it browns, we can drain all that liquid off. And here's where I add in my red wine. I use Syrah, and it's my favorite. It's so good in this recipe. You gotta try it. Oh, forgot to show y'all I added some of this in there too. Now add in your crushed tomatoes. I use two 28-ounce cans. Tablespoon of Knorr chicken bouillon powder. Love this stuff. A squeeze of Italian herb paste. You can just use Italian seasoning if you want. Oh, and fennel seed. Don't skip that. Don't skip that. Like half a teaspoon. A couple teaspoons of onion powder. And then a half teaspoon of sugar, just a little bit. I don't like no sweet sauce. If you do, you can add more sugar. I ain't doing that. And I'm going to add some fresh basil in here. Then I'm going to lower the heat, cover and simmer for about 30 minutes. If you can do an hour, do that. It's only going to get better. When it's done, go ahead and give it a taste and see if you need to add any other seasonings to that. Grab your lasagna pan and then ladle some of that sauce at the bottom. I'm using oven-ready lasagna noodles, so I'm just going to add that. And, you want to kind of overlap them a bit. And then we can start adding the fun stuff. We don't like the ricotta mixture in this family. So what I do is mix up some cream cheese, softened cream cheese, with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And I use the cream cheese that has like the garlic and the herb in there, whatever kind you like. It don't matter, child. Whip it up and then pour it on top and spread it out evenly. I'm telling you, listen, lasagna finna be so rich, but it's so good. And after you spread that evenly, I like to add sharp cheddar cheese. Add that on there, and then we're going to repeat. We're going to add the sauce, another layer of the lasagna sheets, that cream mixture, and now we can add the mozzarella cheese. And make sure you're shredding your own mozzarella cheese. All right, once you're done with all that layering stuff, cover with some foil tightly, and we are going to bake on 375 for 30 to 40 minutes. After baking covered, you want to take the cover off, the foil off, and then put it back in for about 15 minutes. But the last 5 minutes, we want to use the broil button on the oven. You feel me? Until it looks like this. And then, hold up, do not eat it. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. No lie. It has to set. Just trust me. And then you can enjoy. Let me know what you think about this one. It's so good.